Music Planet crew on the top of the. This another one. Kiddy Face again. Mambo, one style. Kiddy Face in a brand new style. Mambo, one style.
Uno atamni gwakona beru la mero. Piane uno we ki yele ma ana beru ka yele ana yo keeping and back itim. Otherwise no kona doko ke family ma megwa kwene.
Charo.
Now doke charo ni no the primary activity mana be beru ka timu abi beru la fu. Ma furu ni pa waje ni furai. Fu ma furu ni ki witieno ni no bena bi furu la bon plan.
Strong.
Donc yini fu ya iporo idugo gang bolo kwere la tien mati charo na machiel genado be timo kinge fu ena ye wore center. Ka yini chere center jemi mado be timo kunu goyo card to ko draft mato kon pian beno no chiana mo mati ati ma yini no pere kon mai mar ne beru kon mu ma wele yor kon ma we ko dar chwe ke lemgi iti na we I look back and see my age mates my umegi wa mugume dogang makon lanyo gi mukando wa yiro gi
Very true.
bitie iti na we so I would not have been so exceptional kauno an benna tie ke gi kun iti na we so anoni donye we ma megani u shaping and exposing and to a broader perspective dokita neno ke ki lobo tie malach o mina opportunity metem moguma ikin rock wero adugu la we adugu dana mangene ati exposed romo bedi party ki gino mo nyogi ching mo madoka mako madit tutwan ento kumbedi chane my social network ki connection is broad itina we ma dano tuok lobo mapat ge ngeo nga ma Kiddy Face obedo. That is something man and it is so resourceful.
True.
Makalo ba kwanya tiu kere mabe mapa balo. Walo tiano na ramo bedo ki gumme nongo moje. Piani kanying mabe ngewa Bible waje ni nying mabe loyo lonyo. Dok loyo jabu ke real. Loyo wa perfume mangweje ku loyo. Iti na weyo. So chamu kan pembiara ni out of way na ni a bit dok kon ki chiente monyo lonyo maromene but by mia la tirna me nyote ni ana beru word pa Kiddy Face. Che Kiddy Face no beru la we mabe ma we no la ko pa dano ma peo ulanyo dano ni work talent ma mege. But you know now will also have that opportunity favor money where they are always easy to be organized.
Yes,
yeah.
Now at Kiddy Face you are also a producer.
Yes.
How do you learn production and a balancing Jamarion in because being a musician at the other side, it's a different person.
Yes.
Being a producer, eating at a papen.
That's true.
How do you balance these two?
Well,
what you coming for you on production?
Yes.
Yes. How do you come to
production? Amira wachi around 2011. Manoro ngana ti gulu kan no wabero no ati Tosha Entertainment.
Tosha Entertainment, yes.
Now Tosha Entertainment no goro widana maduong.
Yes.
Complex Studio at some point beno bero under the custody of Tosha Entertainment.
Yes.
And then at some point Anaberu president met Tosha Entertainment. Now Kaunda was like my music colleague. Kawidano po, we produced about 3 songs. Mawa goyo collaboration one ki Kaunda, producer Kaunda. Madano ngeo me Complex Studio. Ma ena it would Complex Studio ni. Now, Kaunda, we produced with him we benye. Kai winyo.
Yes.
A big hit.
Yes.
Then there is My Love is Free of charge. And then there is one gospel song. Mawa producing one Kaunda. So we used to stay Ikabermagluani State House. No teach you like the whole home, you know, in sort of like a fence. Mawa beruka chiel. So because of Sai has always been a co-producer to Kaunda in Complex Studio. Karma producing way en charo way patupigi o venigi geno vene yes, actually baseline pa way enoni I also put my hand in it in any way. So charo beru chok yo saigi we jaro funya I want to learn production it in any way. And then later on kongdaka a stepping or down from production because I wanted to expand my my brand. We hold on my bear, it kept me way. So I made it away, and then around 2016, a friend of mine opened a studio here at Bass Park, Max Records.
Max Record, I remember.
Yes, he put me to manage his business. So trust me, I was provoked by certain ways of misbehavior by producers.
Yes.
When you are now managing somebody's business, you are accountable. You need to be accountable to everything that happens.
Yeah.
Egamo producer tika go away. Umiarchol producer, umiarocham, umiarnene pa kavurki producer, and then road studio tiwa waho. Pengi yung matika timekan. Chul machi, chul pi, and everything. But then there are these producers. This is a very common tendency for producers. Ma angini wegi studios gengengeyo eni mabe. If you are running a studio business and you are not the producer, you must have gone through this or you could be going through this. And the way they connect directly to the producers.
Yes.
And then now, ichawa mano initie katich machalo manager no iberi reception itika nano kita activities matika time kere yani luwe pege o studio iti nano we luwe being studio di wo when you have left iti nano we with the coordination pa producer gebiro ke go away di wo kitiako we when deleting wa project iti nano we mano ke cholo producer at a certain amount mano it's not now covering cost me majgi kono pigi loka rent gi ngo gini but no ni ka duwe utum you have to pay rent, you have to pay for power, water bills, still producers house kama vuri ya miarbeni chul and then mine anoni uchamu every day it in anyway. So I got a little bit devastated. Kietma producers getting mekeche why no? I need to learn production. Achako learning production manually. La bon chergang kwanmo, la bon timo gimo, la bon any serious gene training more. Achako mere learning just first of all by mastering the software. Percussion, drumming, instrument munyo beru kwene ke mergina kiti no kwene and all that.
That was Fruit Loop Logic.
That was Logic now.
You phone your direct Logic.
I phone your direct Logic in a way, Logic 9. And then later on, I hired producer Keys Obino. There was a time Keys Obino in Max Records. Yes, Obino nyota certain details about production. And then kinga chako advancing myself. Moka da chair tutorial, a chair online, a chair googling YouTube, and nano kita ke mastering sound ke rikije moka. Well, chako go away around 2017. I go away, chalo way and way pa Micho Benz, Waraga. I go away pa Laxi, Please Forgive Me.
Hey.
Yes, please forgive me. I produced that song and then it was mastered by Samuel Z. And then King Kenyodong. There are a couple of songs man America producing again. Yeah, and I kita beda child dog producer kere. In 2018 dong I opened my own studio. In the office kamana ti about Lumisola. I was managing Lumisola, Macharo branch manager, but behind the office. No ayabo studio mamega makada lor office piano da daxing
kagono bula
wero chak bieno ngat mado werda chak do da ka goyla ku matin da bero bro na matiri dada
yes I was asking Bien how the touch changes immediately
yes no pa mar la ku do twal no maro look me
because no benepere we nyom pangone. You were not totally not there.
Yes, I wasn't there. Then the dadong he kept on coming. No composing la kubu ne money can you be no mera producing
it.
And then I had to, of course, as you come from a background of traditional music
yes.
At least you have the clue of how we
beats
I started now bringing in those attributes now. And I now switch to dano chako ngeo andongo ni la kubu young man go chako
and by the way angeni phone production dong kila kubu made waju loka the studio karamano etie katijbot jome sola ngoni.
Yes,
I remember there was some studio bena kunu nenchalo
exactly.
But yes. You were not into la kubu
no. Yes. No ago we mu chala we na mu chala gena no kai winyo kadwong those are the styles mano anagoege. Yes.
Wow.
So and adonyo get into production, upon you get production and I became a producer. Now talking about balancing production
and
way. Yes. Having production as part of the business matimo kai na tika team production I focus so much more especially kai na tika team pa la way la water. I want to make sure ni producing way ma yomo twin la way anano la way ma chalo boss ma mega anano la way ma chalo a client ma chalo ngat moke la business and kai na pa impressing la way te logani no business mega pe obi down la way chiel ma yini go hit bore obichero charo indo keli luwe mapo and ana balancing kera down kera I focus so much there is that self discipline ma inculcating ano piera kena ingeo gina piera tek iloboni buane an pa ni la we la waro nyo la we ma nyen ma furu bina nyo tika down tika time ko man nyego mo pere chunya manu gina ana ngeo and we ka ana tika producing we para we I contribute a lot. I must tell you ni tilu we mo kan ma be in studio ma mega manotie just ke title ni amero we ni very art tech. Now detail pa loka very art tech ngoma we ko very art tech ke yubu ni ngo gini eno dong ke bora including the rhythm it in anyway. There are so many hit songs much while ge walk in that manner. Mano pebere winni Kiddy Face yocho kono but I do that because I want my business to grow. And I also want the other aspect of me being a producer to be appreciated,
to be felt at least.
To be felt. Yes. So eno ya kira balancing kere dong mega kari nenda tiga chako cherka wena most times we ma mega timo mer dong late di wo at the time mano merne vibe money kera vulu ke jani vibe mono bino mano miara way lo kagene chi acha mer go beat ma mega I just compose the song, produce, and most times we na pari ga timone within just few hours no producing yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Yes, and no itika neno Delight Multimedia YouTube channel, TikTok, Delight Podcast ke and DJ Silva watieki Kiddy Face.
Yes.
Kiddy Face, the producer. So yeah. Kiddy Face, mano, maybe as we close, what ngomiramu wakune bot jomatika nenwa maakitung bori?
Well, genaramu watine bot jomatika kanenwa Delight Media tini yani ana yani una yo weko industry meko malo don komberi chawa ni kama music meko malo oye we are kapaluoro gopa we are even leading Kampala is second now yan ekare chani mawan food wa chaka we chaka no Kampala no lo we ma Kampala no kago bino kanyo ke waro ge marai
mateka dede
ke waro ge dak show ma megino pong mo ma konyepe bar komberi chawa ne ka yine neno lo we ma Kampala don pege chok ko beri chani borwa kanyo te loga ni we ma megwa don as surpass their taste it in anyway so alego ni umede it's supporting lo tieno gang way kuberi chane ke nano in terms of production, the quality is even competing is very very high. We have now reached that quality ma at least waramu competing kuberi chane ka wanano with the globalization trend matiga bino watiki technology ma chuk ma megwa dong tiero maroma ki wilobo pedong ne wacharo wewa ikumala me Uganda ke kan yiti na na wayo kuberi chane TikTok watika sharing TikTok wilobo long Facebook was sharing wilobo long YouTube wang market when it's a global market now. So ginamir one wa timo enani wa me support ikom content in your product ma aki bot wa ka kinano ni one was consuming product ma megwa ki wadi ni charity starts from home. Ka kinano lobo mu keno nano ni wepa Kiddy Face unyo wepa maybe kasipuma wepa jelly G nyo wepa la ten gang mo eken o waro chetika makumaj utimu content mene amnu chero viral we pe miero leb ni uberi leba choli unyo ni leb mono ka weko chet mabo leb me we pe its music itself is already a universal language. So ka dano nano gina tika trending dano kunyo ni lobo waro ki trend they will start embracing kichako supporting e bipori la ten mamegu mapajo kan kitika luongone wa Nigeria kitika luongone wa Botswana wa kwene mene ano ni uchero performing kuna wakane dugu botwa iti nana weyo mana gina tieno so wa medic supporting lutino pajo wa medic supporting media houses mamegwa machalo delight media yani wek gunongo subscribers maduong following bed maduong eno yana yo ma wan wa weko product mamegwa chero kere vast mana gina na romo dokone eno kidong gwak bodlo we mamegwa and ni try as much as possible to work together. Koñ patele pere. Dano don ki le worge. Achuli wa ni kulu pong ki jain. Idong wati yu matek minano ni wa yilo primary goal ma mego bed mingo me pilu wi gangwa. Lokman me kuku yerte tele kono content kado pe yer la wori no dom. No chala pe chata ni. Konye pere. Wa mare woni ya gikine je ma watimo weng ki wayne wenyo matuk chiero malo wang mo du vuru ping anan
wow
yes
afa matakamete we kwa kina machim tirane me business bien tinga tumana matekana wa kombedi kitangeyo kede you are also a composer ma composing wenyom
exactly
yes kanga tumo mero wenyom aneni pol webe tima ichoyo pe wero but ne ichoyo tinga tumo robinu amiti chona wenyom maybe amiti chona wenyom amiti ikonya bene I producing so give us that contact.
Yes, adagere iwaje mabe ana choy we like kumberi chane we mo kira yele yamo luoni wekewa we pa king bon town.
Yes.
Yeah, it's one of the songs my choyo. And then of course there are so many other songs mati wako kuno my choyo gi. So ka unity kenyo che no ni yenyo hit tika yele pete lokani no yin peti la we mabe. This is also something malu we bot wakan kumala me Uganda for gitika lacking.
It's true.
Dano me central ga chane chalo Cindy gi anga gi no Moze the writer gi Nins Andrew gi gitika choy we bot baby cool bot chameleon ngo pete lokani in pila we magwako but at least ke wajani ka unitamo ni mamane yetero mabe loyo chi bilo dek ganga men ngaro kene chi binyang ni teru kara mon kara pe teru maroma da itin yang way so pete lokani no tika undermining in but obe wero ini don matera ye because
the test locker
kidong you know consistency mame ube berutie mano graph mame no don malo era pe beru flat madano winche wi nge ni ngari jane iti nan way so ajolu ne obien ana choy we will ma be doc I produce for you I can also produce for you just a demo and then you go and master somewhere else. I allow that producers no can pege ye but me I'm very flexible okay being away ni jal wa go just draft wa recording then actual Kampala maybe bought a producer more my ingire of your choice you can also go with the project a mini project chero kere any help my mero ana guiding in mine amne tij ma me karo komberi chan kam wa o yeni am peda yenye dok yuera mo makarni level any kamati yeni but genana mero ana dong legacy ni dana di makerga dirma ya koma pere genge chung chigi moja den ni an mati kanye ba obero teach pa Kiddy Face ene weko anatiko man eno ni ene legacy ma weko nyia for dong.
It's true.
La wo maja wa yiro one of the legend la dit la chambel jeme mayano timo winyu cha den madano moko kiet mayano tiyu kwere pe Acholi eno ni ene gin ma weko ngat mo stands to be remembered keriga don come pe even
it's
after
true.
decades and decades so yes
the good deeds
mana ene nying mabe mano doing lobo. So and right now in the music industry that's what I'm working for. I want to see ni luwe don luwe chermabo piana ngeni in if you become a superstar ma iringi ukirmeti talent ma megi mabe you will become more than Kiddy Face. You will have a home, you will have a family, you will be in position to provide, you will be in position minongo wa biachara ni woke we ma megi an ko ni lake no roma mi ni tijatia.
It's true.
Yes, so don't fear, come and we negotiate. Yeah, na machimba mega tie na machimpa manager ma mega Mark Luonye ni William and na machime en 0777 810 322 go chim dano maniang dano mala tich pagamente dano mape ubinyano wike go chim bore.
Wow.
Yeah,
that is very good. Delight Multimedia YouTube channel again ni winyu enu kono ngo miro team of course amene no jami mano Kiddy Face tika timune chirati social media.
True.
Social media handles pa Kiddy Face
Kiddy Face UG.
Kiddy Face UG. Type in Kiddy Face UG can you YouTube, TikTok bana Kiddy Face UG?
Yes.
Yes. Can you wherever you know either way matie kunu we maduong full.
You can also come into our inbox kai
more
detail more. Yes, you
feel free. Bera gonya afo mata berkera yes kama enoni kalwa yagike yo miberu kanena yo bwame Delight podcast mano category of course TikTok kidong Delight Multimedia YouTube channel mana ye the Luo Gold music.
Yes,
see
you next time.